Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. Good morning! We're here at Jersey City and today we will go to stroll in New York. So, mga lola, let's go! We're really riding a subway.
Track 1. Oh, 4 minutes.
Now we will be riding a train going to New York City. Wala pang tulog, so mga puyat, ang mga lolo at ang mga lola.
Oh, ito na. Oh, picture kayo. Oh, picture kayo na, di ba?
So, from the train, now we're buying the ticket for the ferry going to New York City. Ang ganda ng paligid. As you can see, those surrounding buildings, the skylines, very beautiful. So, this is it, mga lola, mga nani, mga tatay, Lola Miray, walking in the streets of New York City. Mahaba-habang lakaran ang lalakbayin ng lolo, ng lola, at ng ating mga kasama for today. Pero, don't worry, ang lolo at ang lola, sanay sa mahabang lakaran. Ang ganda ng sikat ng araw at iwalas. So, makikita mo yung ganda ng paligid, especially those tall buildings, beautiful landscape, beautiful clouds. So, excited ang Lola Miray.
The place we're going to is the Icon. That's for the New York City.
Look, ang aming bunso, feeling turista na rin. Paminsan-minsan, it's good to feel na turista ka. O di ba mga lola, ang saya? sana yung aming nalakbay. Pero malapit na. Konting lakad na lang, konting kembot na lang. Mararating na ang ating first destination for today.
Ano nga, maglalakad. Kasmok?
This is the view.
Pababa, pwede.
You going up around?
You're going down. We go up to the top first and then going down.
Yeah, you go on the elevator, you go on, you work your way down.
Yeah. You guys can walk up. We need to pay something
I already did. I have the tickets.
for this one.
Yeah.
This is the Empire State Building. People are climbing up the stairs from the bottom to the upper or to the top building. But it's very challenging for Lolo and Lola, so we did not do it.
Anong building? Anong pangalan ng building na yan?
Kalimutan ko sinabi niya ni. Sinabi
Hindi kasi puro backyard eh. What hazard yan?
Concert yan.
Label. Yeah, come on. You look your face. Okay, take a picture.
34th Street Hudson Yard Stop Station.
Picture.
Dito ginagawa yung mga movie, lagi ito, ano naman, budang taas, parang building na dito.
Dito kami sa Grand Central.
Ang ganda nitong bago.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, maganda para ibang
This is
siya.
in a lot of movies.
Oh, really?
Wow.
Like?
Night in the museum.
O kayo naman, picture ako kayo. Ay,
Tayo.
Lola Mirai at ang lolo ay naglalakad dito sa streets ng New York City. Ang lola ganda at ang lolo Ted mukhang pagod na. This is a coffee shop na famous here in this part. And we just stopped and buy coffee. Yeah, let's go. Hanap na CR. This is a very nice place. Where?
Wala, makita sa 56th floor. Wala sa ganito.
In the streets of New York. Lola Mirai. Lola ganda. Mga lolo. So we are on the 5th Avenue.
How do you like it?
On the 5th Avenue there is the public library. So huge. Tea around town. Tea treats. It's like Hong Kong. Very busy street. The State University of New York over there.
Okay.
This is Bryant Park. In front of the State University of New York, Sunny State College of Optometry is the Bryant Park over here. So we will just go there and sit and relax.
Bago mag-Times Square. Sa may observation is gonna be tonight. The Max?
Uwi muna tayo before going there.
Hindi, sabi Times Square tayo man ng gabi.
Oo nga, katabi nun. Sa Times Square, lakad-lakad na. We are here at the all shoes. Here at New York. Pagod na. Tapos na yung energy. Naubos na. So, nandito na lang. Nakaupo na lang tayo sa gilid-gilid, sa tabi-tabi.
na lang yung mata natin.
This is, we're here in the restaurant. And we'll be having the Mediterranean food. So, this is the dip. Start now.
Then Paris and whole space. Dapat kinapa yun?
First time na kumain ng lolo at ng lola this kind of food. Masarap siya, but you need to eat only yung soft part. The other part na matigas is not for you. This is the first time I will eat this. It says cheese cake.
I'm chewing gum already. I'm on a diet, that's why I get sour. I ate too much sweet.
Busog. Masarap ba? Super sarap. Masarap yung food. Actually, sobrang lamig nga lang dito, kaya sobrang lamig. Pero the food is good. There are lots of people over here. Yan yung mga kasama namin.
Today, we have the plane rides, the train and the ferry rides, the long walks, and those beautiful view along the way. We had good food, and of course, we had lack of sleep. This just in one day. So, see you in our next episode ng Lola Mirai in New York. So, bye!